Dan, you have hands, bro. Just use them.
Ow! We got a special guest today. My wife! Get in there, babe! Get in here! Ow! Now we skate it?
Yeah. Hey guys, we're here today. My name is Gabe Cruz. You can follow me on Instagram, GabeCruz01. That's, what's your name? That's Mowgli, that's Chloe,
Gabe, are you
that's
alright?
Uzi Walker, and behind the camera is Nigel Jones.
They put something in your beef jerky?
I watched 4 TikToks before the start of this video, and it has plummeted me into an abyss of just terror. I don't know who I am anymore. So we're here with 4 boxes. And you may be wondering what is inside of these boxes. Well, I'm gonna open this one and show you. 25 pounds of clay. Feel this. It's ice cold.
This has been the roughest start to a video that I've ever seen.
It feels good.
Let me get one.
Stop.
Hold on. Mowgli, you gotta rub it. You gotta get the satisfaction.
Yeah! So what we're doing today is making the world's first 100% clay ledge. And this clay is air dry. You don't have to put it in the oven or anything. It's purely air dry. So we're gonna build it now, leave it overnight, skate it tomorrow. I'm crying. That was funny. Uzi, I'm gonna leave this build to you. Onward! Oh, I dented it. Oh my god.
I knew it. He wanted to do it one more time. I
Okay. Uzi, please start building this thing before I cry. I don't know if I want to use the machete though.
Why don't we use this?
Why don't we just go, we can just go this way. Yeah, that'll fit perfectly.
We're gonna have to get dirty.
Oh yeah.
What are you gonna do with that?
That is a plastic fork. That is gonna break into clay.
Dan, you have hands, bro. Just use them.
We have technology.
You're gonna have to mold this perfectly. You're pushing it too far, Uzi.
It's getting there. We should make a pot too.
Ow!
Ow.
Bro!
Oh, you could use this as a smoother too. Yeah, I want to poke one.
Wait, I have an idea first. Let me
Wait, what's your idea?
make a Braille logo. I think that looks pretty good. That's a ledge, brothers.
How do you feel?
Man, that wood was a terrible idea.
It was a terrible idea. Till Gabe fixed it.
Sure looks ugly.
Sure looks terrible. Till Gabe fixed it.
Look at those angles.
Alright, there you go. Now we let it dry. We will skate it tomorrow. That was a lot of fun. I gotta go wash my hands.
We're very excited to present to you the world's first, the world's best, the world's most prestigious 100% clay ledge. Not to be confused with Clay Aiken, Clay Thompson, or who's the other one?
Dr. Clay?
Dr. Clay. Is that a real thing?
Wow, that's built with the best ingenuity. It looks like somebody really built that great. Looks like a chocolate cake.
Can somebody whose back is not injured?
This isn't even dry yet.
Exactly. The sun dries all things,
This is the
including
100%.
my tears.
Hey, just because it's not dry doesn't mean it's not clay. Oh, that was such a nice sound.
That's great. It's nice and hard.
Let me see.
Which shoes are worse, these ones or those ones? I'm actually feeling bad about both of them. We got a special guest today. My wife! Get in there, babe! Get in here! What are you doing? The people want you! I don't know why she doesn't like to be in the videos.
There's a lot of words you could use to describe this ledge, and dry is not a single one of them.
Wow! Mother of Mary! Look at that handprint though. That's a perfect.
Dang, that must be a dry ledge.
That's detailed.
That's a ledge. See the
Must be a
veins.
dry ledge.
The hand vein.
That's detailed. What now? Now we skate it?
Yeah.
This is not going to work. This is the one ledge we built that doesn't work. Dan, hold my keys.
What if we put a piece of wood on top, make it like a ice cream sandwich?
Well, the good thing about it is, I got the spark trucks.
No, don't use my board. No.
Your board?
Yeah.
You're skating the spark trucks?
Wait, that's not my board.
The spark truck.
You had me.
You're not skating the spark trucks.
Go on, you can carry on with your business.
Oh no, I thought for sure it was gonna work. Why didn't it 5-0? Whoa! No, Lino, that's hella cool. That's hella cool. All right, you're up, Mowgli.
You know, honestly, I just think this video should turn into you molding a skateboard or something.
Think so?
Yeah, do Braille pottery.
Give it a go. I got another trick and it's getting wild.
Hey, a trick was landed. It counts.
We'll land this one too.
Oh!
Dang it. I need to roll away from that. You know, sometimes it's first try or nothing.
There you go.
Ice cream sandwich.
That doesn't count.
What do you mean? How doesn't it count?
It's kind of like the practice ledge. Impossible to fall on.
Do not ride my bike on the clay. Oh, wow.
That is satisfaction.
Here,
watch out.
It owes you money, Aaron.
What? What? This is like, I was trying to think of like, what would be like the thing that would be most maddening? You know what I thought of? When you're playing those things and your claw's coming up and it drops it before it goes into the hole.
Oh.
What? What? Ah, that's what I'm talking about.
It like exploded.
That was really in there.
Someone should put a
Nollie
piece of
Hills
plastic over the top and then stick their face in there and then make a statue of their face.
Why do you need
I think
plastic?
someone should just stick their face in it.
Yes.
Ow! No! This beak is gentle. It will break in that clay.
All right, well, Uzi, go ahead and build your ramp.
man.
I don't know about this now.
No, can you land something? Just kidding, just kidding. You're doing great. I just thought it was funny because you literally landed everything. Oh,
Bill?
first try?
Uzi, what are you doing?
You're messing
You
up
said
a
make
good
a.
piece of wood.
You said make a kicker. I'm trying to.
Did we say that?
Dude, just use your hands, bro.
That's all you wanted to do.
No.
All right, if you can ollie over there.
I
I'll
didn't
give
want
you
to get my
$15.
hands on that.
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
It did kind of harden overnight, though, a little bit. It's a
Yeah.
little more firm.
So that's why I'm saying if we leave it for a week.
I mean, I thought like 10 minutes ago he would have just put the piece of wood on and called it a day. Stick your feet in there!
Hey, not next to me, bro.
Oh, God!
It's in there! It's in there!
Oh,
Look at the pinky toe! Oh!
Let me just save us all some thank you.
There
you go.
You never know where they're gonna go. All right, full speed.
All right, Uzi, use the bike.
No, the bike, the skateboard.
No, the bike!
Go, 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 go! What are you doing?
Alright, I'll hit a full speed.
That was lame. Go faster! Let me do it.
Oh my! Backflip it.
Nigel, catch!
Gabe, you know what to do. What? You know? No, right here. This is what you've been training for.
This is what I've been training for, Dan. Take my phone.
Hey, Bubba Scrub!
Go ahead. I don't care. Go. It's right there. It's right there. Go ahead.
It's right there. Go ahead.
It's all good, I'll pretend I didn't see it.
Did you get that? I think so.
It could have been your car, Gabe. What's happening?
I don't know.
Watch out.
Yeah, you never know where he's going.
Oh, they started running out on the lip.
And you need to lean back.
What happened? Ran out of gas. Yeah. Oh!
For real?
Oh, almost had it.
I'll be seriously impressed if he actually does that.
You
I thought he
don't
was going
believe
1
in
foot.
me, Aaron?
I believe in you.
Aaron
I
doesn't
believe
in me.
I just thought you were going 1 foot, that's all.
Yeah! Yeah!
Let's go! Who's a moto kicker?
go!
Who's a moto kicker?
Come on, universe!
Unipro!
Make me pro, baby!
Like I said, you never know where it's gonna go. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, and even you and you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It's time to go. BrailleSkateboarding.com. We got everything you need.